If wide open landscapes, ancient traditions, and untamed wilderness excite your soul, then Mongolia might just be your next unforgettable destination. From endless green grasslands to golden deserts and snow covered valleys, this country offers some of the most diverse and dramatic scenery on earth. But here's the thing, your experience in Mongolia completely depends on when you visit. So in this video, we'll explore the best time to travel, what each season feels like, the top regions to explore, and essential travel tips, all to help you plan your dream Mongolian adventure. The ideal time to visit Mongolia is between June and September, when the weather is at its best. During these months, daytime temperatures stay between 20 to 30 degrees centigrade, perfect for hiking, horse riding, or simply soaking in the beauty of the steppe. This is when the country turns lush and green, a photographer's paradise. But remember, July and August can be warm and a bit humid, and yes, insects might join the adventure too. If you prefer peace and milder weather, go for June or September. The crowds thin out, the landscapes glow with color, and you will still have perfect conditions for exploring. Now let's talk about winter from October to April. This season transforms Mongolia into a quiet, icy wonderland. But it's not for the faint-hearted. Temperatures can drop below minus 30 degrees centigrade in many regions. Travel can be challenging because roads close and facilities are limited. Yet, those who dare to visit will witness peaceful snow-covered steppes, frozen rivers, and that unforgettable silence you will find nowhere else. It's tough, but also truly magical. Let's break it down region by region because Mongolia's beauty changes dramatically with the seasons. Number 1. Southern Adventures. The Gobi is legendary, vast dunes, dramatic cliffs, and rare wildlife. The best time to visit, June to September. You will skip the extreme heat, and September gives you mild weather with quiet trails. Number 2. Northern Mongolia. This region is home to the stunning lake Khovsgol, often called the Blue Pearl of Mongolia. Visit between July and August when the forests are lush and you can kayak, camp, and meet nomadic herders. Central Mongolia. Rolling valleys, mountain plateaus, and ancient monasteries await. June and early September are perfect for this area, calm, colorful, and rich in local culture. Here are some must-see places for your itinerary. Lake Khovsgol, crystal clear water surrounded by mountains and pine forests, perfect for nature lovers. Orkhon Valley, a UNESCO site with ancient ruins, waterfalls, and endless plains. Gorkhy National Park, close to Ulaanbaatar, this park is ideal for hiking, horse riding, and staying in traditional yachts. Kustai National Park, home to the wild Takhi horses, once thought extinct. Seeing them roam freely is an unforgettable experience. Mongolia rewards those who come prepared with breathtaking landscapes, warm-hearted people, and unforgettable adventures. Plan according to the region and season, and you will discover a country where every horizon feels endless. So pack your bags, time your trip wisely, and get ready to experience Mongolia, where nature still rules the land.